Africa is in the spotlight. A continent of over 1.2 billion people. The culture, the food, the ideas, all coming together, uniting to build solutions. Tech Expo Africa is a social enterprise event that brings these ideas together in an exposition in a bid to foster deeper collaborations and unite communities. The 2021 conference is built for October 15th and 16th at the Dome at Lagbaka, Akure, Nigeria. Day one of the conference is a workshop that will focus on digital marketing, workplace automation, and blockchain technology. Day two of this conference would host 6 world-renowned speakers sharing their experience on the subject of discourse. The theme for the 2021 conference is Business Sustainability in the Digital Economy. Register today for the virtual and on-site participation at www.techexpo.africa. For inquiries and sponsorship, call 081 3399 5500. Tech Expo Africa, enabling development.